Hello everyone, welcome here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. So it's lunchtime. I'm going to cook our lunch. So I'm going to cook sweet yellow corn. So there you go. So I love corn, my dear wonderful friends. I have here 7 yellow corn. Okay, there you go. I'm going to cover that one and set that aside at high flame. And I have here my okra or lady fingers. So wash it thoroughly in cold water. Set that aside. Wonderful friends, don't be surprised. There's a lot of banging here in the house. Somebody is working outside doing some construction work, and so I'm preparing lunch for them. So I'm washing this nice red Roma firm tomatoes and green onions. So I'm trying to get this done. So boiling water, but it's still in the process of boiling, so that I'm going to add my okra or lady fingers. So that Roma tomatoes, wonderful friends, I sliced this thinly, so you can slice accordingly. And also this green onions, so very thick, and you can use also white cooking onions if you want. Once again, don't be surprised, so loud outside. And I have here my lemon, so I'm going to add this spices into my mixing bowl. Okay, wonderful friends, our spices are already here, and I have here my ginamos or anchovy paste. This is very typical type of Filipino appetizer, very easy ones. And then squeeze out some lemon. Okay, I'm just showing you what's for our lunch today. Okay, there you go, friends. That is ginamos. Okay, set that aside for now. You can squeeze more lemon if you want. Lovely friends, at the same time, I'm going to boil or blanch my okra. Maybe for 2 minutes. I want my okra to be crunchy, not overly done. Set that aside for now. So our ginamos or appetizer is done. For our fruits or for our sweet, I have here my 1 kilo or 2 pounds of sweet blueberries. I love blueberries, wonderful friends. Then we're going to wash that thoroughly into cold water. Okay, there you go, beautiful. Then I'm going to put my blueberries into my serving platter. Set that aside. Let's check our lady fingers, our okra. So 30 more seconds and that will be good. Let's check our corn. Wow, beautiful, sweet yellow corn. I love it. Our rice is almost done, maybe 5 more minutes. That will be okay. Okay, wonderful friends, I will turn this off and we're going to take out our okra or lady fingers. This will be paired with my ginamos or my anchovies. Beautiful friends, so good. So our boiled or blanched lady fingers or okra, they're done. Our ginamos and our blueberries, set that aside. So remember friends, cooking and baking, they always make fun and easy here at my little kitchen. Thus it gives you the idea on what to prepare for your family's next meal. So I'm going to cook very easy type of dish. And I have here my 2 sardines or sardinas, and I'll be adding repolyo or green cabbage. Okay, friends, I love my electric can opener. So these are our 2 sardines ready to be done. Okay, I'll have to turn off my flame in my corn. It's done. Set that aside for now. Here in my cooking pot, I will be adding at least 4 tablespoons of canola oil. You can use whatever oil you have available in your pantry. Simply, you can always go ahead, and that we are going to saute that with our garlic, white onions, and our tomatoes. Okay, there you go. We'll just add all together wonderfully our spices. Normally, I'll have to saute that step by step, but I am in a rush right now. So we will saute this maybe for 2 minutes until the spices are infused all together wonderfully. Okay, once our spices are infused all together lovely, I am going to add black pepper, adding black pepper, salt, and or any savoring enhancer. It depends upon your taste buds. I am going to add patis or fish sauce as my savoring enhancer. Okay, wonderful friends, I'm going to add this sardines. So this is the sardines. Okay, there you go. Simply add it to the best of your ability. Okay, set that aside maybe for 1 minute and you'll be good. Friends, rice is ready. Okay, there you go. And so I am going to add my shredded cabbage. So this will be done in only 1 minute. So depending upon your flame. So we are just going to mix it. Okay, there you go. We're almost done, wonderful friends. And this is just perfectly fine. Cooking and baking, they always make fun and easy here at my little kitchen. So simply love to share what's going on here at my little kitchen. Okay, there you go, friends. So I'll have to turn this off. It's done quickly. Turn this off. You can also garnish some green onions. Perfectly fine. So that is our sardines with green cabbage. And let's check our maize or sweet yellow corn. There you go. So friends, this is our freshly cooked or boiled yellow corn. Napakasarap po mga friends ang ating sweet yellow corn. I bought this from Walmart. There you go, our sweet yellow corn. Our ginamos, our blueberries, sweet blueberries, our lady fingers, okra, and our sardines with green cabbage and some spices. So I'm going to prepare also some of these nice oranges. This will serve as our lunch today with our friends. So wonderful friends, for our drinks, I am preparing iced tea. And I'll be pouring this out. Okay, there you go. I'll be dishing out this rice. Spoon and fork. Oh! So for my sausawan or dipping sauce for my okra, it's lemon and toyo or soya sauce. I have prepared also this homemade La Arnis garlic chili oil. This is very, very delicious for your sausawan or for your dipping sauce. Till the next time, friends. Love you all. Your kusinera, your home cook, Buddy La Arnie. Sa inyo, daghan kayong salamat. Dali maniudto na ta, friends.